Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to upload your pictures to Instagram via your personal computer. Now the first thing you'll need to do is download and install Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome yet, I'll put a link in the description to a video that shows you how to install Google Chrome. Once you've got it installed, you want to double click on it to open it, and then you'll want to navigate to Instagram.com. Once you're there, you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to your home page by clicking on the top right icon. Okay, so we're at our home page. Now we'll use one of the tools that comes with Google Chrome that make it unique for being able to do this. So you want to right click on your home screen and scroll down to Inspect Element. Now, this area is what developers use to test applications and extensions and plugins to see how they are across different types of devices, to see how responsive they are. That's the term they use. So you want to click here and you'll get a list of devices. Now, I usually pick the iPhone X because that is the latest device out of all this menu. So click the iPhone X, and the next thing you'll want to do is refresh the page here. So click the refresh button, and voila, now you have the ability to upload. So you don't need actually to have this console open anymore, so let's close it. And for the sake of the video, let's try and upload a picture. So click the plus symbol here in the middle, and navigate to where you have your image that you want to upload. And then make sure you change custom files to all files. Select your image, so I'm going to have this one. Click open, and you want to adjust it. So I'm just going to adjust it real quick by clicking this. It's actually a landscape picture, so I'll just adjust it like so. Click next. And then you'll want to write your usual captions. So I'm just going to go with exactly what the thumbnail says. How to shorten URLs with Bitly. And let's tag Bitly. Actually, let's just tag it like this. And let's hit share. And you have an option here of adding Instagram to your homepage. Now, I'm not going to bother. And there we have it, guys. Your first Instagram post posted completely from your own personal computer. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.